How about a beautiful grilled veggie salad with gnocchi and a miso balsamic dressing? Let's get started. This is really good. Let's make this delicious grilled veggie and gnocchi salad with a miso balsamic vinaigrette. Pick your favorite veg to grill. I'm using mushrooms, shallots, peppers, and zucchini. I want to char those veggies on one side and then flip them to char them on the other side. The char is where the flavor is, and it's a really good flavor. While that's happening, boil your gnocchi. I'm using cauliflower gnocchi. It only takes 2 minutes. Then strain the gnocchi very well. You want to remove those veg from your grill pan and then add the gnocchi. You can also do that in a saute pan if you want to, but add some more olive oil just to keep the gnocchi from sticking. I want a bit of a char on this also. Then I'm going to make my dressing with some olive oil, secret ingredient miso, which gives it a great flavor, balsamic, and then a fat clove of garlic, which I just kind of grate into the dressing. And then I give it a really good mix. Then you need to roughly chop those veggies, and you're going to assemble the salad by placing the veggies and the gnocchi on a beautiful serving platter, and then drizzle over that dressing and sprinkle some fresh herbs. I'm using mint and basil to finish it all off. Really good.